Anybody see that? That's an egg. Is someone gonna go get it?
We can't do that.
Why not?
Well, it's a dangerous world out there, and we're just penguins. You know, nothing but cute and cuddly.
You know, we lose a few eggs every year. It's just nature.
Oh, right, nature. I guess that makes sense, but something deep down in my gut tells me that it makes no sense at all.
You know what? I reject nature.
Up at the lot, told him 12 swat, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up your whole field, I'ma get laid.